Hi everyone, this is Taryn with Wonderfully Made Handcrafting, and today is going to be a little bit different of a video. This video is showing you the Artza Box subscription. They reached out to me and wondered if I would partner with their newest release box, which is all about the region of Galilee. And I'm so excited to show you what comes inside these subscription boxes. This company started just a little bit over a year ago. This is their fourth subscription box, so they do one each quarter, and this was started so that they could feature artists from each region and kind of tell what was important biblically in that region, and just showcase these artists so that they are not severely lacking from the lack of tourism in the region during the pandemic. So I'm really excited to show you what's inside. Let's get going. As we open this box up, we see a bunch of papers that are put in this box, and what I love about this is that this is great for homeschooling. I am going to use this as a supplement during the summer for my history and Bible, since we won't be going really in depth, but I still want to cultivate that desire to learn. And so this would work great for also public school students. It doesn't really matter, but this is such a good thing to do as a family. And so here we go first off with this little packet. I love this little belly band that holds all the papers together. This is a recipe for hummus that they put in here. It looks delicious, and my kids will have so much fun making this. They are 8, 6, and 2, so we don't do a ton of stuff in the kitchen, but we're just starting to, especially with my 8-year-old, she really wants to learn how to cook. And so this will be an easy recipe for her to start and be able to try something that she's created herself. So it gives you all the instructions and also the ingredients. This is going to be a great one to do. The next is a postcard from the Mount of Beatitudes. What's cool about these is it talks about it biblically, and also it gives you an area to send this actually as a postcard if you wanted to yourself. The last little postcard is the Sea of Galilee and what an ancient boat might have looked like, because it says that there was 2 brothers that started creating these boats. And so these are really cool postcards. You can put them on a bulletin board or put them on your fridge to remind your kids what you are working through, or you can send them to friends and family. The next little piece of this packet is what I really appreciate most. Let me just slide this belly band off. Well, maybe not. Maybe it's easier to just take them out. These are all about the artists that are featured in this box. So this is artists that created a bowl for this box. This is my favorite thing that came in this box this month, and it talks about his story and gives a little picture of other bowls that he's created. This is one for the lemon lime body scrub that is included, and each one is just showing the artist, where they're from, and the item, and also what else they create. Now this is continue with us on our journey through the land of the Bible. And so it says in the fall, it's going to be the Judean desert. In the winter, it's going to be a Christmas special. In the spring, it's going to be Golan Heights. And in the summer, it's going to be the Old Jaffa Port. So I'm really excited to continue, hopefully, with them and show you the other boxes that are coming in the subscription kit. The last thing, I think I might have messed the order of this up maybe. Oh, come out. Is another, oh, because this one's taped, but it's another artist, and this is one that created some candles from this box. So I will show you those shortly. The next paper that we have here is this beautiful picture of Galilee. It's just, I wish I could go there now. And on the back, it talks about Galilee. It shows you how to say different words in Hebrew, and gives you a verse that's relating to Galilee. And this is going to be Such a good supplement. I know I said it before, but this is going to be great for our kind of family time together and learning about this country and this region. The next thing we have is the good stuff. So we open it up, and this is where the real fun begins. It's packaged beautifully. I'm just going to take this stuff out. And where should we start? Let's start here. So this says nectar spread, cocoa and nuts. I wonder if this is, it says tahini, nectar from coconut flowers, hazelnuts, cocoa powder. I wonder if this tastes similar to Nutella or not. Let's see. I don't know, but it looks really delicious and I can't wait to try it. So this is the nectar spread that comes in the kit. We also have extra hopeful olive oil. It says, produced collaboratively by Arab and Jewish women in Israel. And it talks about their company on the side. This is the hummus seasoning, which pairs perfectly with this recipe. So I think, yes, it uses the Artza hummus seasoning for their hummus. I love hummus, and my kids do too, so this will be perfect. Let's see. Oh wow, these are pretty. Okay, so this is, says Mosaic Art in the Holy Land. Jigsaw puzzle with natural stones from Galilee. And it says, just play with the stones to make the puzzles according to the different arrangements as shown on the cards, or enjoy creating your own designs. 2, use any glue stick the stones on a frame or at the entrance of your home. I don't know, it looks really cool. The stones are 100% natural. They're waterproof, dustproof, and sunproof, and time-proof. Very cool. So there's different mosaic patterns you can create. And then the stones are in a little baggie. I haven't opened it up yet, but it looks like little tiny stones from Galilee, which is so cool. I don't know, I just love having this stuff actually from Galilee and every area that they do these subscription boxes from. These are beautiful. These are dipped taper candles. Let's see. It says, nestled in the hills of Galilee, skilled craftsmen create candles to bring the light of the Holy Land into your home. These are beautiful. They kind of remind me of the sea because of the colors. Next we have a Jesus' Footstep card game. Explore Christ's journey in the Holy Land. Let me see if I can open this up real quick. Sorry, I didn't realize. Grab some scissors. See what this looks like. Explore Christ's journey in the Holy Land. So it can be different ways to play. There's a memory game, a guess my card, or plan your next trip to the Holy Land. And then there's actually a game right there. So these are what the cards look like. Here, let me just flip them over. These are really cool. Again, great for school. I think you can use it for multiple age levels. Like, they're really interesting to me, but I know for sure my kids will be interested in them as well. Okay. Oops. This is a lemon and lime honey and oat gentle peeling scrub. Handmade with love using traditional manufacturing techniques at our workshop in the Upper Galilee, manufactured in Israel. Wow, this smells really good. And then the last thing we have, I had to get out before I did this unboxing. This is my favorite thing ever. Look at this. This is a bowl created by a craftsman in Israel. You can even see the initials on the back. And it has 2 fish and a basket of bread. And it actually resembles a mosaic found on the shores of the Sea of Galilee, which I think is so cool. And the blue is just so beautiful. It is supposed to represent the Sea of Galilee as well. And they said you could use it for like dips or just little trinkets, but I'm really excited to use this. So this is everything that came in this quarterly subscription box from Artza Box, and I cannot wait to pick up the fall subscription box as well. I think this is definitely worth it. And if you're looking at getting your own subscription, you can pay by box or you can pay for a whole year up at once, and you get a discount if you do the whole year. But you can also use my coupon code, which is Taryn, Taryn 20, and that will give you 20% off any of the subscription boxes. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I know it's a little different. I'm excited hopefully to work with them in the future, and we'll talk to you all soon, guys. Have a great day. Bye.